Okay, so I have an epic unboxing for you. If you follow me on other social media channels, you know that me and the other cherry design team have been sneaking these little red boxes. So today is the day when you get to hear all the details about them. Okay, so this is called the cherry box. It is a kit subscription, but it is super different. So let's talk about how it's different. First of all, the cost of them and all that will be down below in the thing. I'll link to the website page with all the info on purchasing one. But I wanted to take a minute and just point out some of the coolness, okay? So, first of all, this box is not a coordinated kit. So inside here, you're not going to find things that all go together, which I think is awesome. So what this is it's so different. I don't even know what to compare it to. All right. So you guys, if you know anything about paper issue swag bags or SCT sampler boxes, they're kind of like that, except so much better. So in this box, you're going to find a collection of crafting items. They will be, you'll get different designers, different brands. You'll get a wide variety of products to try. It's a surprise. You never quite know what you're going to get. And even between subscription boxes, there will be variety. So you might get a different color of ink than somebody else, or you might get that. So there will be some variety. It's items that are just different. You can use all of the items in this box. You can take, and this is me. You guys know me, right? So you can take these items in your box and use them with your current stash. So it's like a little bit of new goodies, crafty goodies, without feeling like you have to use everything with each other in the box. You can take each of these items, add them in with older products that maybe you're wanting to use, and all that. So if you are in my Rediscover Your Stash Facebook group with Christina, then you know this is like my jam. I love that. Okay, so let's take a look and see what is in our first cherry box. So I've taken a peek at this already, just, you know, FYI. All right, so when you open your box, there's going to be some stuff that you are immediately like super excited about. And then there's going to be some stuff that you're going to think, I have to work with that. I'm not quite sure. I've never used that before. And that's fine. And that's so fine because guess what? Maybe you'll use it and you'll love it. All right, so let's get started with my cherry box. This is the June cherry box. They're going to ship the end of May. And so this is June's cherry box. I received this initial cherry box for free from a cherry on top, but I will tell you that after the first box, I have to subscribe if I want them, and I'm subscribing. So there will be more unboxings and fun. So this is, look at this stamp. So I don't know if you can see how detailed this gorgeous stamp is. It's a photopolymer stamp, which means it will stamp beautifully. And I'm super duper excited to color this because I feel like it's so detailed. It's hard with the black backer to really see all the fun on this stamp set. But I am super duper. This is probably going to be the first thing I do is stamp this and color it. It has some really fun sayings. Your kindness warms my heart. For a beautiful friend, thank you. And then this Helen Keller quote, the best and most beautiful things in the world cannot be seen or even touched. They must be felt with the heart. And I've never heard of this stamp company. So this is a new to me stamp company. So I'm really excited to use that. Then we have, okay, so this is cool, right? So then we have some glue. These glues are in these nice little pretty fine tip bottle. I've heard of Eileen's glue before, but I've never tried it. So one of these is clear, one of these dries clear, and one of these dries really fast. So that's the difference between them. Just one dries clear, one dries really fast. And I'm going to take these for a spin. I'm going to put them on my desk, and I'm going to use them to do sequins or whatever kind of wet glue type stuff I have to do during the month, and we'll see what I think of them. And these aren't giant bottles, so you know what? If I use them and I'm not super impressed with them and I don't think that I want to purchase a big bottle, totally fine. But I tried a new product. Okay, next up, we have these super cute clothespins from Pebbles. So these are more of something maybe you'd put on a card. So these three: smile, thanks, hello. The hello ones and the smile ones definitely could be used on a scrapbook page. They're really cute. And again, this is an embellishment that if I saw in a store, I probably wouldn't purchase it. If I was just flicking through, cherry hunting or whatever. But they're really cute. And again, it's an embellishment I'm not familiar with and don't use super often. But because it's in my cherry box, I'm going to put it on my desk and I'm going to use it and see. And then I know, do I like this? Do I not like this? When I see them again, should I buy them? Okay, so next up, you're going to get a full pad of Distress Oxide Ink, which is my favorite, and I'm super duper excited about this. This is amazing. I don't have this color. It's on my wish list of colors, so to be able to get a color that I don't, this was a lovely, lovely surprise, and I love it. Next up, you're going to get a whole package of Bela Boulevard Ephemera. This is a new collection. It's in the Bela. It's in the Cherry on Top store. I'm not sure what the name of it, what the collection is called, but it's a whole pack, the whole ephemera pack. And you can see here, there's some florals, there's some tags. And again, this is something that on my own, I might not buy, but it's fun. It's different. I love the little fox. I love the little bear. That little owl's adorable. There are some really fun icons, some really cute clouds. So I love those flowers, and these tags are super fun too. So those will be fun to kind of mix with stuff in my stash and use. Next up, we have some Prima Flowers. And I'm going to open these up so you can kind of see. These are more for like an off-the-page project maybe. So you have these fun little stems and leaves. These have a vintage vibe to them. Now, I am all about the vintage vibes, but if you're not, then this is a way to kind of play with something that is vintage without having to have a ton of stuff, right? And then you'll know, do I like vintage Prima Flowers? Do I not? So there's lots fun. And if you kind of start to like take these apart, like you can unwind these, and I like Prima Flowers. I like them on off-the-page projects, and I have a stash of Jelly Bean Soup Mix the Media stuff hanging around here, so I'm feeling like this could possibly be something that ends up as decor on a frame. So super pretty. And then, okay, so here is something that I would pull out of this box and go, oh, I don't know what I would do with this. So these are clear stickers. They're summery. They have like a watercolor type of a look to them. But again, if I saw these while going through the Cherry on Top store, I wouldn't necessarily pick them up and buy them. But I got them in my cherry box. I want to use the things in my box. I don't think they're ugly. I don't think they're unusable. It's just not something that I necessarily would gravitate towards. But they would make some super fun cards for summertime. And it is May, so summer's coming up. Also, they have that little childlike look to them. And I have lots of nieces and nephews that I scrapbook. So again, not unusable, but maybe not something that I would buy. So surprise. And also, if I really like them, guess what? I can buy more of them. Put that there. So the last thing in the cherry box this month is slice this open here, is a 6x8 pad. So this is a newer collection. This is Dear Lizzie's All the Good Things. And I am all about a 6x8 paper pad or a 6x6 paper pad because I think that they are completely useful. I tend to pull my small paper pads out more so than my big paper pads. So I don't have a lot of experience. I don't have anything from this collection. That's really pretty in my stash. So this is kind of fun. I get a taste of a collection that, again, I kind of passed over and decided I didn't really need it. I do need to fussy cut those flowers though. But these colors are really fun and pretty for spring or summer. And again, like something different, something new, something that I necessarily wouldn't on my own purchase. But now that it's here and I'm looking at it, I'm like, oh, this is awesomely cool. So what this whole box reminds me of is if you are like me and you are a shopper and you kind of like to click through items in a shop and just look at things. And then you kind of throw a couple things in your cart and then you go back the next day and you're like, nah, I don't need these random items. I'm going to just delete the cart. This is like someone taking that cart of random things and sending it to you every month, which is awesome because I'm super happy with this. I think it's unique. I think it's different. I think it's just a fun way to stay on a budget, get an influx of new products into your stash, products that will stretch your creativity, products that maybe are not your status quo, new products, new glue. Maybe this is the most amazing glue in the history of ever, and I've been missing out. So yeah, I think it's a really fun concept. I am definitely 100% going to be subscribing to it. I think it will, all those things, help me stay on budget. It will, like with the distressed oxides, I go into the distressed oxide part of the store and I'm like, my eyes glaze over because there's so many colors I don't have and I don't know which one to pick, and this is perfect and I have no problem with this color. This is a fabulous color and it's a color I don't have, but I didn't have to go into that part of the store and have my eyes glaze over trying to figure out which one I wanted. So I'm really excited about this, and I think it's different and I think it's cool and I think it's unique. So I hope you will head over to the subscription page. I will continue to do unboxings, and there is their own hashtag called the cherry box, hashtag the cherry box, that we will be, the design team and subscribers will be uploading their, oh my gosh, their projects too. So if you are kind of hesitant because it is something new, unique, different, go on Instagram, follow that hashtag so you can see what kind of projects can be made with this box. First thing I'm doing is I'm stamping this and coloring it because I just think that it is stunning. All right, everybody, have a fabulous day. I hope that you will head over to the website and check out the subscriptions for this box because I'm super excited about it. I'll see you all again soon. Bye.